It's day 3 of IPA Pickleball Nationals, and I have with me the president and the winner of men's doubles 50 plus category, Mr. Suryaveer Singh Bullar, and his brother, who have just won gold medals. You can see the shining gold medals around the Nexa. How does it feel to be an administrator and a player?
Oh, it's an amazing feeling. Last year Nationals, both of us won the silver medal.
Yeah.
And we had promised each other that this time we have to win the gold. And I'm so happy because, to be a player and then to go into administration and then to lead from the front is something I'm really, really happy about.
What will you tell about your pickleball journey and about this gold medal?
Well, I mean, the icing on the cake for me is to win it with my brother. And this place is so amazing. I've been only playing pickleball for a couple of years, but just to see what's happening with the sport and to be involved and to get a chance to compete at this level is just amazing. It's a blessing for me.
How do you keep your cool? I saw some heated moments in there during the match in court, but you were very calm. You both were very calm. You were controlling your nerves. How do you do that?
Oh, I think I'm basically a very calm person, and that's how I've been all throughout. Whenever I play, everybody comes. In fact, a lot of players came and told me, "We have to learn this from you. You're just expressionless and calm on the court." But I did get a little charged up in the last game.
What will you say? The finals, the last match, which was the deciding match for the gold medal. How were you guys helping each other? What was going on in court? What was going on in your mind?
I think we knew what our strengths were. Yeah. And in the first game, we weren't playing to our strengths. Yeah. We were kind of falling prey to their strategy of the sport, of the game. And I think from the second game onwards, we looked at each other and said, we got to play our game. And as long as we played our game, they kept making the mistakes and we kept playing consistently. And that's how we finished on top.
Yeah. So we were one set down and then to come back and win the next two sets, I think it was a great thing. Yeah.
You just told me that last time when the Nationals happened, you won the silver medal. This time you have been promoted to gold medal, and this league as well, this Nationals as well. I must compliment you as a president. You have done a fantastic job. What will you say about this Nationals? Because I have seen a lot of young players, a lot of like 50 plus category, 60 plus category, 12 plus category, 35 plus category. A lot of people here also are picking up the paddle. And pickleball is expanding. Its rise is rapid. Its growth is rapid.
So this venue is so amazing. So half our work as IPA was done when we got this venue. The courts are magnificent. The facilities, even the food in the canteen is so good, and all the players have been accommodated here. Officials are staying here. So I think the biggest factor of success is the beautiful Bennett University. Regarding the players, yes, we've had players from all across the country, almost 25 states, right from Assam to Gujarat to West Bengal to Kerala. I mean, the entire spectrum of India. And the players from, like you said, under 12 all the way up to 60 plus. So I think my aim has been to take the sport to the grassroots, and I think we're moving in the right direction now.
He's moving in the right direction. What do you think? What will be your goal after after this gold medal?
We got to defend it again next year. Yeah. But obviously we're excited about some of the leagues that are happening also in India, and competing in those leagues, making pickleball an actual professional sport in this country as it's happening in the US. And facilities like this are going to help. I was telling somebody earlier, my son went to school in the US. And looking at the schools and the colleges and the facilities that they have over there for sports, finally it's good to see a school like this over here that has the same facilities, and I'm sure greatness will come out of this.
Okay, thank you for speaking with us. As you have listened yourself, the facilities here in Bennett Universities are making this Nationals more competitive, I would say, and more bigger event than what it promised to be, and that's a win for all of us.